Akron After School Kids, and welcome back to another episode of Experiments with Miss Myers. We've done a lot of cool things, and we've learned a ton of really cool things about science and hypothesis and how to expect things coming. So today's experiment involves 4 glasses, oil, coffee, and salt, and 4 eggs. Now, we're going to see today which one is going to float. So, our hypothesis would be if I put an egg in whichever one you think is going to make it float, then it's going to float. Awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and try it. So I'm going to pour a little oil in a cup. So about like that much of oil. And these 2 are already filled with water. One's just going to be basic water. This is also coffee. And Miss Myers is actually allergic to this, so she's going to send it off for somebody else to pour it in. And while they are doing that, I am going to pour in some salt into this water cup. Okay, so then they filled the cup with coffee, just like that. Okay, so now we have water, salt water, coffee, and oil. And we're going to see which one makes the egg float. Are you ready? We're going to gently put these in. Probably should put more oil in there. 1 second. There you go. Enough to try to make it float. And then sometimes you might have to get some more water. So let's go ahead and fill it up with more water. All right. Which one do you think is going to float first? This one looks like it's staying very low. Doesn't look like it's going to float at all. Coffee, still pretty down there. Salt water. Water. Water looks like it's floating a little bit. Might need to add a little bit more water to it. Alright, so what we're going to do, this is a 2-parter science experiment. So next time we meet together, we're going to see which one floats. Alright? You excited? So am I. I cannot wait to hear your excitement and to see your observations on Padlet. Let me know how you felt, and I will see you guys later. Bye!